Today we will be continuing within the same topic of obtaining energy from municipal solid waste. So far we have discussed about the availability of municipal solid waste in India specifically, and the advantages or the usages of municipal solid waste in obtaining electricity. So different methods were there. So first method we discussed was direct combustion or incineration in waste to energy thermal power plants. Now another method of obtaining energy from municipal solid waste is by converting this waste into some type of fuel, a useful fuel. Okay, and the process that is pyrolysis, and another process that is gasification. Both of these processes, pyrolysis and gasification, take place at high temperature. So one by one I will be discussing it. So pyrolysis, that includes the heating of municipal solid waste and at a temperature ranging from 300 to 600 degrees Celsius in the absence of oxygen. So on subjecting to a high temperature in the absence of oxygen, the solid waste that converts into a solid, a liquid and a gaseous product. So solid product, that is biochar, then liquid, that is bio oil, and the gases, that is syngas. Now coming to the next process, that is gasification. So it is a process in which the organic matter, so in this case that is municipal solid waste, that is treated with high temperature, okay, in limited supply of oxygen. So the temperature here is even higher, that is 700 to 1000 degrees Celsius, and the product, that is a gas, so it is syngas or it is synthetic gas, means we are getting a fuel or the solid waste that converts into a fuel. Okay, so the gaseous fuel. Okay, now the syngas, basically it is having other impurities and we need to clean it. Okay, so the impurities are like ammonia, sulfur, hydrogen sulfide. Okay, these type of impurities are present there in the syngas. Okay, so we want syngas to be used as a fuel. So for that, we have to purify this fuel. Something similar to that of a crude oil, we have to refine it. Okay, so impurities that will first of all also damage the equipment from which we are uh, producing the energy using the syngas as a fuel. Okay, also the efficiency that could also go down. Some may be dangerous for the system which is using the syngas as a fuel. So we have to purify it. Okay, so three type of systems here which can use syngas as a fuel, and in turn they can produce some type of directly or indirectly they can produce electricity. So three of the systems are like a combustion engine, something similar to that of a internal combustion engine, like the CNG, very common CNG that is being used as a fuel in a combustion engine, and it is used for powering a vehicle. Okay, so similarly in a combustion engine we can use syngas. Now another concept, integrated gasification combined cycle. Okay, combined cycle means we are using two processes here. The syngas, okay, that is the one type of fuel, and also the high amount of heat which was used in the process of gasification or pyrolysis. That was taking place at high temperature. So at this high temperature, the heat that can also be utilized. So integrated gasification combined cycle. Then and then last, that is fuel cell. Yes, fuel cell is a direct conversion device. The input syngas, and in one stage directly we can get the output as electricity. So three type of devices or the systems which we have discussed here, they can be used for producing electricity by using the fuel that is obtained from municipal solid waste. Okay, further the link of this previous topic which I discussed on the same concept of municipal solid waste, I will be giving it in the description as well. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you.